Could artificial intelligence be the ultimate game changer in military warfare? As the world stands on the brink of a new era, the role of AI in warfare is becoming increasingly significant. Picture this: autonomous drones patrolling the skies, equipped with facial recognition software, pinpointing targets with chilling precision. Or imagine a fleet of unmanned submarines silently prowling the ocean depths, capable of launching devastating attacks without a single human on board. These scenarios may sound like science fiction, but they are rapidly becoming reality as militaries around the globe experiment with AI-driven technologies. Take the case of the United States, where the Department of Defense has been investing billions in AI research and development. Project Maven, a Pentagon initiative, uses machine learning to sift through vast amounts of video footage, drastically reducing the time needed for data analysis. This technology not only speeds up decision-making, but also enhances the accuracy of threat identification. Across the Atlantic, the United Kingdom has been exploring the potential of autonomous weapons systems. The Tyrannis drone, for instance, can fly in full autonomy, identify threats, and suggest targets. However, a human operator is still needed to authorize an attack, a safeguard that underscores the ethical dilemmas posed by AI in warfare. The promise of AI extends beyond the battlefield. In the realm of cyber warfare, AI systems can detect and respond to threats faster than any human could. In 2017, a competition organized by the Defense Advanced Research Projects Agency, or DARPA, showcased AI algorithms capable of detecting and patching software vulnerabilities, highlighting the potential of AI as a cyber defender. However, the rise of AI in warfare also raises serious concerns. Autonomous weapons could potentially be hacked, reprogrammed, or even used without proper authorization. The risk of escalation, unintended consequences, and the loss of human control over life and death decisions are issues that cannot be ignored. The rapid advancements in AI have outpaced the development of international regulations. Today, the laws of war do not adequately address the challenges posed by AI. There is an urgent need for a global consensus on the rules governing the use of AI in military contexts. The world needs to act, and act fast. It is time to engage in a serious dialogue about the use of AI in warfare. It is time to establish international regulations that balance the potential benefits of AI with the ethical and security risks it poses. As we stand at the precipice of this new era, the question is not whether AI will reshape warfare, but how we can manage its impact. The answer lies in our ability to navigate the complexities of this issue with wisdom, foresight, and a commitment to peace. The future of warfare, and indeed the future of humanity, depends on it. Thank you for watching our video on the silent threat confronting the dark side of AI in military warfare. If you found this information valuable, please give us a thumbs up and share it with your network to spread awareness about this crucial issue. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on pressing global issues like this one. Together, we can navigate the complexities of AI in warfare with wisdom and foresight.